Hello, hello, hello. This is Alice coming in from Beam's Crafty Corner. And I got mail. I did. I got mail. So let's see what we got. So I know what this is. This is from an auction that I was buying in this past week. So some of this is the Amy's. So I'm going to open it and give the Amy her stuff. Alright, so what did I get? Well, I bought some paper. Yeah, because I'm a sucker for Graphic 45. So I bought some Graphic 45. This is the Love Notes collection. And then I also got some stickers that go with the Love Notes collection. It's only half a set, but, you know, I got the stickers. And then, I got this, which is some of the stickers for the Bloom collection, because I have the Bloom collection and I like it, so I grabbed some stickers for it. And I got these. These are also Graphic 45, and these are like some of the ephemera cards and stuff. And they're just, you know, kind of cool. And I think this is the Life is Journey set. But I grabbed these, and then I got this little gifty pack. Let's see, what's the little gifty pack says? The little gifty pack says, a little thank you gift from us. We appreciate your support. Thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoy your goodies from Maddie and Madison. And there's a couple of playing cards in here. Alright, so the next thing I got is this here, okay? And I got this from I believe I got this off of eBay. Amy must work there part-time. And what this is it's a pizza box. Is some Graphic 45. This is from the Happy Hauntings collection. And so I got 3 sheets of this. I'll show you the other side. That ought to flip the camera out. And then there's this one, which is also from the Happy Hauntings. And that is the other side. Gotta love the pumpkins, right? And then this, which is kind of like a cut-apart sort of thing. And this is the other side of it. It's the Starry Night. And so I got all of those. Love that. And then I got China Mail. So the first one says, Home Decor. I know. It's a little house. What is it? Oh. It's some teardrop dies that I ordered. Yeah, because I want to try some teardrop-shaped dies, you know, because I want to make some tags. And then this one says it's a cutting die. This will probably be some kind of home decor. Oh, yes, I remember these. These are Halloween images. I got a witch, and it says boo, and that's an owl, and a haunted house, and a skeleton, and a spider. And they're supposed to be for cake toppers, but I thought they're just freaking stinking cute, so I got them anyway. And then I got this one, and this one says home decoration again. So let's see what this home decoration is. Aha! This home decoration is a giant dragon stamp I have been waiting for. This is much larger than I thought it was going to be. But, yeah, because that's, whoa. But it is a giant dragon. It says, just imagine, and it's got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dragonfly over here. And some swirls and some stars and stuff. And I just thought it was gorgeous, and I had to have it. So I ordered that, and that's what I got. That was like all my stuff today. Anyway, since I can't really do a haul, you know, this is my haul for now. So until I see you guys again, thank you so much. Hit the red button, subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I got a big dragon. Bye-bye.